Who wants a dragon? Come on over. Welcome to SE Custom Designs, where we have created several dragons, and we are gifting a dragon to my neighbors. And we're just going to go ahead and burn in. Hello, what is your name? Dad. What? Dad. Your dad's noisy over there. Yeah. Sudesh. Now, I do better at making dragons than putting in my name. We'll have to do that later, but there you go. Please have the dragon. We made this for him. How do you like it? Good. Yeah, like it. Turn them upside right. There you go. So if you're ever curious how we make these, you're more than welcome to come down to the wood shop. It's entirely up to you, Mom. What we want to do is pass on the trade to the younger generation. And so, you never know where this will lead. All right, thank you for receiving.
You can go with him. I'll take a picture with you with him.